Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is going to be prime and composite numbers. So what are prime and composite numbers? When we look at positive integers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, that kind of stuff, we can group them into prime and composite numbers based on certain criteria. So let's take a look at prime numbers first. Prime numbers. Prime numbers have no divisors other than itself and 1. So when I say that there's no divisors, you can't evenly divide it by any other number besides itself and 1. An example of this is 3. Name any number that you can divide 3 by other than itself and 1. You can't. 3 is only divisible by 3 and 1. Or 5. You can't divide 5 by anything except 5 and 1. 11, 7, 2, which is the only even prime number. You can't divide by anything other than itself. Names like 11. Can you tell me 2 numbers besides 1 and 11 that you can divide it by? You can't. Those are prime numbers. Composite numbers are basically things that are not prime. They have divisors other than themselves and 1. So 4, 6, 8, every even number is composite except 2. Because think about it, even numbers are things that you can divide into 2, so obviously they have to be divisible by 2. But also, odd numbers can obviously be composite as well. 9, 15, 25. If it ends in 5 or 0, it's composite, obviously, right? Because it has to be divisible by 5 or 10. But there's ones that aren't as well. For example, 51, actually. A lot of people think 51 is a prime number, but it's not. Because 51, you can divide it by 3 and 17. As well as, obviously, 1 in itself. 99, 11 and 9. 91, actually that's an interesting one. 91, I believe 7 and 13, yeah, 7 and 13 is 91. So those are prime and composite numbers. I also want to mention that the bigger your numbers get, the less often prime numbers are going to appear. But it's been proven that there is an infinite amount of prime numbers. So let's do a little bit of practice here with them. Tell me if the number I'm going to write down is prime or composite. 55. So, as I said, if it ends in 0 or 5, it's composite because it has to be divisible by 5, right? 55. 5 times 11, surely enough. Oh, sorry, 5 times 11, not 55. 5 times 11, 55. So if you divide 55 by 5 or 11, that works out. 20. Obviously, it has factors. A lot of factors, actually. You can divide it by 1, obviously, 2, not 3, but you can divide it by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, and 20 itself. These are all factors of 20. Let's do another one here. 49. So this one is a bit strange because 49 is the same thing as 7 times 7. So this kind of confuses people. They're like, wait, so does the 7 count twice? Like, how does this work? No. 7, we only count a number once. So its factors are 1, 7, and 49 itself. We don't count 7 twice. So yeah, guys, this has been prime and composite numbers. Pretty important concept in math, so make sure you like this video and subscribe. Leave your comments down below and share. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.